What's going on, YouTube? So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to build your chest with push-ups. So you do not need access to a gym or anything to do this workout. It is definitely going to help you increase that chest size. I'm currently in Texas right now at my best friend's house, so I cannot go to the gym, but that's okay. We improvise. We do not make excuses. So for today's workout, what we're going to be doing is 24 down, which is going to be a total of 300 push-ups. So we're going to start with 24 and pyramid our way all the way down to one push-up. Now take as long as a break as you need to in between the sets, but try to keep the rest periods at a minimum because we really want to feel that burn in the chest. And you can do standard push-ups or diamond push-ups, or you can mix the two. I'm going to mix the two, so I'm going to start off with standard push-ups. So I'm going to do 24 all the way down to about 14, and then from 13 down to 1, I'm going to be doing diamond push-ups. This is going to be a great chest burn. All right, that's enough talking. Wind's blowing a little bit. It's a little chilly out here in Texas, so we gotta warm up some. Be sure to warm up properly, and let's get right into the workout.